This video shows how to refill the ink tanks on the HP DeskJet GT 5810 and 5820 printers. You need to refill the ink when the ink tanks are low or empty. First, open the ink tank lid. Remove the plug from the ink tank you are refilling. Place the plug upright to avoid getting ink on any other surface. Remove the cap from the ink bottle. Slowly pull the seal tab off and place directly in the trash or on a protective material to avoid getting ink on any other surface. Twist the cap firmly back onto the bottle. Flip open the cap lid. With the ink bottle upside down, place the top of the ink bottle on the tank spout. Do not squeeze the ink bottle or overfill the ink tank. Gently push down. Ink drains from the bottle into the ink tank. If the bottle does not start draining ink, remove the bottle, then push the bottle onto the ink spout again. Fill ink up to the maximum fill marker. To prevent leaks, do not exceed the maximum fill marker. Close the ink bottle lid and set the bottle aside. Push the ink tank plug back into its slot to seal the tank. Make sure the plug is pressed firmly into place. Repeat these steps to refill any other low or empty tanks. Close the ink tank lid. Your printer is full of ink and ready to print. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.